Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. It is going to be a really cool pen pal with me, and this is to one of my single letter pen pals from the US. I will not be writing her name on the paper for privacy reasons because I do not know if she wants to be on YouTube or no, and I do not want to make anybody uncomfortable. So this is the paper I will be writing on, and this is a marble paper I got from Amazon. I have mentioned this in my previous video, and I will leave the link in the description box below. And I will just give you all an overview. So I did draw lines for my own guidance. Wow, my marker just wants to be in the video today. So okay, what I will be doing is I will be having like a powder pink, a light pinkish line right here, like a band right here in this triangle, and here will be the gold line or the gold triangle. And first I will be mixing in my colors. I will be using this brush. This is the Kukuyo Camlin S60 brush for water and poster colors, and that is exactly what I'm using today. So I'll just dip it in some water. I have some water right here, and I'm taking the pink. It is so difficult to get it out with this brush because it's so thick, like the paint and the brush. But yeah, I'm just winging it. Okay, also I would like to mention that I am not at all an expert and like a proper artist. I do not have any idea on how I can paint or do art properly. Okay, so now that I have prepped the sheet, I will wait for this to dry and I will be back in the next clip. I know that this is not very aesthetic, but if you see it in real life, you'll see how beautiful it looks. And I know it's very simple and plain, but it's something you can easily recreate with any colors. If you have a white sheet, you can use like a lime green and say a turquoise blue, and it'll look beautiful. And you can write with a nice blue ink and it'll look absolutely stunning. So I'll be back once this acrylic paint has dried. By the way, this is the Itsy Bitsy Little Birdie. Oh no, it's not Itsy Bitsy, it's Little Birdie tinted metallic paint, and it is acrylic, but it doesn't say on here. It said it on the bill, and it is in the shade Golden Glaze, and this is for $1.99 from Itsy Bitsy. So yeah, I'll be back after this dries out. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I don't know why I hesitated so much, but this is how it turned out, and I like the lettering I did, but I think it could have been way better. But hey, it's the effort that counts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold this letter in fourths, 1/4, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make my envelope really quickly. I will have a full-on Penpal 101 for this. I will have a full-on Penpal 101 video very soon. So what you want to do is you want to take an A4 size sheet and you want to fold it so that there is just a little, oh my god, there's hair here. You want to fold it so that there's just a little flap open here, and then take it this way. And like, you don't need any measurements for this, just eyeball it, just wing it. That's how I do it. You just fold these two and then you fold it here and create a crease. Then you open the whole thing again, take a scissor and chop this with a flap here, chop this with a flap here, chop this with a flap here, and this with a flap here. So what you have essentially done is that you have a deconstructed envelope, but it is in the pattern of the paper that you want, that you like, and the size that you want and like. So you don't have to go out and buy expensive envelopes ever, because you can just buy cheap pattern paper and make it on your own. That's how it is that you hack the market. Okay, so now that you have this, you want to fold it this way, and you want to take some glue, put it on the flap right here. Okay, so one thing that you have to be really careful is that you have to use proper glue and spread it evenly so that it sticks well, because what can happen is that with DIY envelopes you can end up having some glue that just like doesn't do it well, and your letter might probably open up and you might your pen pal might just receive an empty envelope, which was what had happened with me, and I was so sad. Always seal your letters properly, my friends. Always seal your letters properly. I'm just using the Fevicol A plus craft glue. It's really good, and it's meant for paper crafts, but it sticks cardstock and everything else really well. So what I like to do is once I make the envelope, I like to turn it and just write everything down, or just write the address down. I'm not going to write the address in front of you guys because obviously I'm decent that way. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some gold paint, just make some faint gold lines. Now what you want to do is you don't want to make your envelope way too fancy, because I have heard that the cuter your envelope is, the more is your chance of it getting stolen in the international shipping. And I know that's not a good thing to say, but it is true. It's proven. Like, a person, I think in Tokyo, had done an experiment where they put stuff in a really cute envelope and they put stuff in a regular envelope, and the envelope that reached the person in, I think, New York, everything was stolen from the cute envelope, and everything in the regular envelope was just put. That's the way it was. So I just did a faint, like, in on camera it looks like I've literally put nothing, but in real life it's like a faint gold hue to the envelope, if you will. You want to leave the right upper side empty, because anything you do over there will not be seen because of the stamps that you put. So I'm just going to take some of this ribbon washi. I got this from AliExpress a really long time ago. Oops. Wow, I have literally no idea how to do this. I really hope my camera is recording because I don't remember switching on the recorder. It's funny being in my head, you guys. It really is. Okay, so now that you have that, you can write your address here. And at this step, you don't want to write the address down and turn it behind and write the address, your address here. But the reason I'm not doing that is because I don't want to reveal my address and my pen pal's address. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait. Is this dry? Look, I literally just applied it and it's fully dry. That's the thing with acrylic paint; it dries so fast. Like, especially this brand, Little Birdie, it just dries super quick. So you want to take your letter, and it's not compulsory to send goodies. I know everybody says that, oh, you should always send goodies, but it's fine if you all don't send it. Nobody's going to judge you, and I think that if they do, then it's bad on their part. So I'm just going to take this little notepad paper that I have. This is from Pinkpot, and I'm going to take these washi samples. This is one of my old business cards, and these are just a few samples that I thought would look really cute on these cards. So you can use like anything from paint chips to wrapping this properly. Did that sort of rhyme? Am I Shakespeare? Okay, so once you have that wrapped, you want to take some twine or anything. This is just something I got from a hardware store. So if you want something to have like the bow in front, you want to turn that and have the ribbon on the back. I hope I'm being clear. Okay, so you want to keep at least this much, at least like a crap ton. You want to take, oh my god, you want to take this and just, did you all see that? Just do that and then snip it from here. Okay, once you all snip it from there, you want to adjust it and carefully turn it around. And don't do stuff like me, like just, I cut it way too long, but it's fine. And then you want to tie a knot, like a ribbon or flower knot. You want to adjust it properly so that it stays put, because what I see is that things keep rolling around in the letter. So I think this is a really cute way of having it stay in one place. And you want to take some washi or just a sticker or something and just do this. So cute. OMG, can you guys even believe it? It's so cute. Just put it in and then seal the letter. Of course, I'm not going to seal the letter right away because I really want to take a few good pictures of it. So yeah, that is it. That is how I did this letter. This is not how I do every single letter because I like to keep it different. I also add a wax seal at the end, but that is after I write the address. So I won't be able to show that to you guys. I'm sorry. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Like it not only on YouTube, I mean, like it not only emotionally, but also on YouTube. And yeah, subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you think I should do next, because I really love you guys' suggestions. So yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.